Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I'm working on a dimensional Memdexcard, and this is for a giveaway challenge, and it is hosted by Miss Ivy Creations here on YouTube. And I'm gonna so I've made this Memdexcard before. I've made one last year for a swap, okay, and this is the pattern that I use. I made this myself. I mean, you can do it on your Cricut or your Silhouette, but since I already had the pattern and my Cricut does not cut through serial, at least I haven't tried to and I don't want to. That's all I did. I just took my pattern from last year and I traced it out on some cereal box, some scraps, and I'm just going to cut out the pattern. But for the rest of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and put you guys on time lapse because I've already done this, and it's in my YouTube playlist if you look under Christmas crafts. All right, so I'm going to put you all on time lapse and I'll see you at the end. Okay guys, so I got my tree all cut up and everything. I used a acetate on the front side here, and I made my tree into a shaker, and on the back side I used some vellum. Yeah, so you saw that I didn't get it quite lined up like I should have, but it's all good. It works. It still works. And then I'm going to add some trim to the edging here so we could cover up the foam part of the shaker, and just go around the edges just to fill in the sides. I'm sorry for the noise because my son is just super loud again. Once again. So anyway, that's it. I'm not going to share how I decorate it because you guys are going to be so bored of it. It's just a bunch of the ephemeras that I'm going to fussy cut from the collection, and I'm still using the Santa Baby collection, so I will share the pictures at the end. And thank you all for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you get to see all the other stuff that I do on my channel. So thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.